Okay, today I'm going to show you the card base. So it's a fun pop-up card, and I'm going to show you just a quick tutorial for the actual card base. All you need is a regular size piece of cardstock, so 8.5 by 11. What you're going to do is turn it horizontal, and you're going to cut at 4 1/4. Now this size will make a card to fit in our regular envelopes. So 4 1/4. So however wide, however wide you want your card to be, this is the measurement that you'll change. So 4 1/4. You're going to cut another one at 4 1/4, or the exact size that you cut from before. Save this little piece right here. Before we move on to that little piece, we're going to go ahead and score at 1 1/2. I hope you can see my measurement there. Okay, up here. We're going to score it at 1 1/2. And 3 inches. Same thing with the other piece. So these two pieces of cardstock will be identical for now. They will change. So 1 1/2 and 3. Okay. So those are 8.5 by 4 1/4. Then we're going to take this piece over here, and what you need is a 1 1/2 by 3 inch strip. Cut it into 3 inches. Oop. Cut it. Better to accidentally score than accidentally cut, right? That's why I have my scoring blade on the top, cutting blade on the bottom. Okay, so it's 3 inches by 1 1/2. And then this is the somewhat tricky part. They're going to measure it at 1 1/2 inches and just make a little mark with pencil, or sometimes if I don't have a pencil handy, then I just like make a little notch with the cutting blade. It's fine either way, or the scoring blade, it's fine. Then what you're going to do is line up that little mark that you made and line up the corner over here with where it would cut. You're going to score. So it's, I hope you can see that, it's like a diagonal line. So what you're going to do is fold that, and this goes inside your card. So let's put the card base together real quickly so that you can see how that works. I have my real card over here, I'm going to show you. Okay, so what you're going to do is pre-fold those score lines. I don't have my bone folder handy. I need to move it over here. So one of them is going to be like a zigzag this way, and then the other one you're going to turn it so that the folded lines will be on the other side, and you are going to fold them the opposite way. These ones are coming up. Okay, so 2 different zigzag cards there. Then all you're going to do is adhere the edges with some strong adhesive. Snail would probably work just fine. In fact, it would. I just have a lifetime supply of Fast Fuse refills, so that's what I'm going to use. And then you're just going to adhere those together. Before I do that, actually, just to make it a little bit easier, I'm going to show you how I'm going to adhere this. I'm going to take the diagonal side and fold it down. Then I'm going to put some adhesive there. That's plenty. And then I'm going to put that right. I'm going to line up the edge of my score line with the edge of this flap here. So it's lined up right there, right at the top. And I'm just going to close that, close this, make sure that gets all sealed up. And then you're going to decorate it. And when you close it, you're just going to push that little flap in so that when you open it, you've got yourself a pop-up card. So after being decorated, here is the version that I'm showing you in today's blog post. Okay, so that's it. And then don't forget, because there's not much room when you open the card to write a note, you could leave that blank. But that's still not much room, so you're going to want to make a little panel for the back as well. So there's our card. So go ahead and continue reading on my blog post. It's redhotstampers.com, and the blog post, if you're watching this on YouTube later, it's March of 2019. It's the Third Thursdays blog hop, so you'll find that there. If you haven't yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would highly recommend subscribing so that you'll get all these fun little tips right to your inbox and you don't have to miss a thing. Thanks again for watching.